Good morning everyone. My today's topic is Introduction to the Pharmacovigilance, in which pharmacon means drug and vigilance means to keep watching, in which we see the definition of pharmacovigilance. It is a science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of ADR or other drug related harm, in which we see the four important terms, that is detection, understanding, assessment and prevention. This detection in which the detection includes the detection of adverse drug reaction, and in assessment we find the cause or causality of the ADR by healthcare professionals. Then understanding. In understanding, the report and the special cases are understand by healthcare professionals. And in prevention, we find the cause and prevent the ADR, and in which includes the thalidomide disaster. In 1960, the thalidomide disaster was caused in pregnant women, which causes the phocomelia in fetus. Now we see the aim of PV. Aim include the patient care, public health, risk-benefit assessment, communication, promotion of education and health, and early detection of disease. And now we see the objectives of PV. Reduction in frequency of adverse drug reaction while maintaining the better and improving their efficacy. And second is quality of drug is depend on pharmaceutical industry and regulatory authorities. And now we see the why PV is important. PV is important due to it includes humanitarian concern, safe use and effective use of medicine, promoting rational use of medicine, and ADRs are expensive, ensuring public confidence and ethical concern, humanitarian concern and ethical concern. Now we see the information for reporting ADR, in which first includes any information of drug or ADR or lack of efficacy. Second is ADR occurring due to overdose, misuse, abuse or in pregnant women. Then we see what should be reported. Then for new drug, all ADRs included minor, mild and severe, all are reported. Then well-known drug, serious, unexpected, unusual ADRs are reported. Then if frequency of event causes harm or increased frequency includes omitting. Then drug interaction, drug food interaction or drug disease interaction, and it includes ICSR, that is individual case safety report, for monitoring of the drugs. Now we see who will report the ADR, which include physician, pharmacist, patient or its relative or anybody who is surrounded the patient. Then we see the periodic reporting for EU, USA and Japan, in which Europe includes PSUR, that is periodic safety update report. Then for USA it is PADER. Then for Japan, and then we see the recently banned drugs, that is analgesic, pioglitazone, etc.